Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Well, today we're going to discuss backgrounds. We've discussed sections, rows and modules before, and columns. Now each of these has background settings, and it doesn't matter which one you go into. If you go to the little cog to get inside one, you're always going to find background under content. Now if you go into the background, you've got options for background color, background gradient, image, or video. And as you can see, if you want to change color background, you can just choose a background color from the color palette and make it whatever color you want. Okay, so we've got a red background in there. Let's change that and have a gradient background. Now gradient, as you can see, it puts one in by default. Top color's blue, bottom color's green there. Obviously put in whatever color you choose to put in. Top one's now red. Bottom one is now purple. Now you can change. If I put this in the middle, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. If we go down below just a bit, at the moment we've got it linear, which is in a line. Now you can change the start and end position by just changing these sliders. Now you can see the starting color is now getting deeper and deeper down in there if you change that one. And if we change this one, you can see, oh, secondary color is now going up more and more and more. Now, you can change linear to radial, which is a round one, so it's emanating from the middle in a circular sort of motion. And you can have it from the center, you can have it top left, top right, etc. to change the actual style that's going on there. But I prefer it from the center. And again, you can change your start and finish positions to get different effects there. There's much more of a red glow that way. And you can make it into a perfect circle by doing that. Let's just take away our background from our row here. And again, content, it's always going to be in content and then background. Get rid of a background color, just hit the trash can. Now let's do the same for our module as well. Content, background. There we go, so we're just left with our actual writing and our gradient back there. So that's our gradient background. Let's go back in here and we'll take that gradient away. So let's go over to image and we'll put an image background in there. To put a background image in there, just hit a background image. It'll take you to your media library. And I've got a couple of images in there. Let's use that one. And as you can see, we've now got a background image in there. You can use a parallax effect, and what that parallax effect is going to move the background from a different rate from the foreground. So if I put that on true parallax, you're going to notice it slowly moves just slightly different rate. I've got no height on this, so it's difficult to demonstrate. And they've got CSS parallax, which is actually fixed background. So when we move the foreground, the background stays exactly where it is. But I'm going to turn the parallax off because it's also got some great blend features where you can, remember we've got a red background color in there. So we can blend it with our actual image here to get some really cool effects. As you can see, it's multiplying there. And if you go through these, they really do have some great effects in there. So play with them and you can get some fantastic things going on. So that's adding a background image and merging it with a background color. So let's just take this off at the moment. And we'll add a background video. So again, if we go up to the background, go to video, you can upload an MP4 or a WebM. It's a good idea to actually upload both styles, so if one doesn't work, the other one will. So I'm going to hit that add background video, and again just need to drag our video in here. And as you can see, we've now got a video background. So there's plenty of options to choose from there. Now you might think, well, I can't read that writing very well. Great option here is to go into the row or the actual module itself. Let's go into the module. Give it a background color. I'll just give it black. And we'll go into the color itself, just left click on the color and bring the opacity down till it just highlights it. So you can still see the video, but you can read the actual writing itself. Of course, the other option, if we take this color away, is to just go and change the color of the writing of your module. So we go design, text, text color, dark. So whatever you want to do. So there's backgrounds for you. I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.